Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this ring donut. It's very simple to make and it tastes so good. Let's get started. Into a bowl, you want to go in with some margarine or butter depending on what you prefer. I'm using 2 tablespoons of that, and into a bowl we are going to add some sugar. I'm using 1/4 cup of the sugar. I'll list all of the ingredients in the description, so do well to refer to the description to get the details you would need to make this. This recipe is very simple and everyone can do it. The quantity I'm using here, they are just small quantity, so it's something anyone and everyone can just try their hands on, and it's not going to fail you at all. You want to mix your sugar and the margarine or butter until you attain something like this. It should be fluffy and everything should be well combined. Now let's introduce our egg. I'm using the whole egg. I'm not just taking the yolk or whatever. I'm just using everything together. I'm going to mix this until it's properly combined, and I'll now go in with my milk. You can use evaporated milk, or you dissolve your milk powder with some water and you can use that as your milk. Now let's mix everything until it's well combined, and we can go in with some flavor of our choice. I'm using coconut flavor here. You can use vanilla or whatever you prefer. Now let's introduce our flour. So let's continue to add some baking powder, and then we add nutmeg. This is also going to enhance the flavor of our donut. Mix everything until it's well combined, but do not over mix it at all. When you mix to a stage, just go in with your spatula. You do not want to mix this until it's very smooth. Let me use this opportunity to thank you all for stopping by. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't liked this video, please do well to like, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, then kindly hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because we do that every week here. Alright, so after we attain this consistency, we are just going to set this aside, and into a separate bowl we are going to take about 2 tablespoons into this bowl. What we are going to do with this is to add some food color to this, and we are using red food color in this video. You can use any color you prefer depending on the type of design you want to give your donut. So mix until it's well combined. Make sure you just add a little, because when it comes to food color, a little goes a long way, and ensure to mix properly. So you want to attain this consistency, and this color is also just perfect. Now let's get our donut maker, and then we are going to grease in with some margarine or butter, and we are going to cover this and preheat it. Always preheat your donut maker before you scoop your butter into it. It's very, very important. So we are going in with the plain one, and then we add that of the color, the pink color. So just as you see in this video, is exactly how we are doing it. If you want your color to be half of the donut, then you can just put half of the plain one and then half of the colored one. Just do what suits your preference, and we are just fine to go. So just do it like this, and now cover it and let it bake for 3 to 5 minutes before you take it off your donut maker. You can see here our donuts just look good. So we set this aside, and we are going to go ahead to repeat the process for the remaining batter, which is very important. Our donut is just ready to be served, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Also share to your friends and loved ones. You can also save this for later, and you can come back to it at any time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share your thoughts with me in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.